on tractor. Don't put the screws inside the, hold on. This is just terrible. Why did y'all put the screws in there? Now I can't get them out. Okay, I'm gonna dump it over so I can dump the screws out. Oh, I gotta unscrew something. Gotta unscrew this thing. Gotta unscrew it. Got to. Or else I ain't gonna be able to get the right thing. It's everywhere. Hey, stop or you lose my screws. I don't have any extras. None. Hold on, y'all wanna see the air? There's nothing else to unscrew. Y'all wanna see the air? Air's under here. The air, it keeps the tractor warm because it's heat. This is the hard part. That's the hard part.